we'll guide you through how to use Stripe test mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. On the top right corner, you'll see your profile. Switch to Sandbox, then Test Mode. Click this switch to enable test mode. This will allow you to simulate transactions without processing real payments. You can see the test data banner appear across the top, indicating you're now in test mode. Next, head over to the Payments section on the left sidebar. Here, you can create a test payment by clicking on the New button. Enter the payment details using the test card numbers provided by Stripe. These numbers are special card numbers that simulate different transaction outcomes. You can find a list of these test cards in Stripe's documentation. For example, using the test card number 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242, 4042, 4242, 4242 will simulate a successful transaction. Enter this number, along with any valid expiration date and CVC. After you've filled in the details, click Submit. You'll see the payment process successfully, confirming that test mode is working as intended. You can also test different scenarios, like failed transactions, by using other test card numbers. Remember, while in test mode, no real money is moved, so you can experiment freely without any financial consequences. Once you're done testing, make sure to switch back to live mode by toggling off View Test Data to resume real transactions. Testing your setup thoroughly ensures that your integration is working correctly before going live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.